What's up, fam? I wanted to do a quick update on Meta platforms. This is the daily chart on Meta. And as you can see, Meta is bullish flag after bullish flag after bullish flag. So Meta just broke out of the all-time high yesterday. And we finished with a 222 continuation. But the last one was not enforced. What that means is, while it's a 222 continuation, it just did not hold up there, right? It's not green. It's basically red, but it's a 222 continuation. So check this out. I want to just show y'all this though. This is important. I swung Meta calls, and this is why I swung Meta calls, looking for a continuation. Meta, although we did not finish green yesterday, we finished higher than Friday's close, but most importantly, we finished higher than the previous resistance up here. So this is the resistance at the last all-time high. We had a level here, right? The all-time high obviously is here, but this was our resistance right here where I had resistance drawing. We came down here, retested this area, and bounced off of this area. That's where we closed. If you look at the weekly, you can see it a lot clearer. I like this for Meta. Now, the last time we were up here at these all-time highs, we went up, we closed with most of its gains, and then it kind of flushed the next. Well, this is a weekly, and we have to also take into account what was going on in the market that week as well. But just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. And this was the session hourly, how it closed yesterday. We came back down here, retested this support, and finished with a 222 reversal, reclaiming the 9 EMA here. So let's just see what Meta does here. But I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. Now, but we do have to play both sides of the trade. If Meta does find a way, if Meta does come down and take out 730, 425, we could retest 725. I'm not sure if it'll come all the way down there. You look for a setup on a lower time frame, because that's what I'm going to do. But that would be a nice, healthy place to come down to. It could just come down and yeah, that would be a nice place for it to come down to. But either way, let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.